The reverse pick drill focuses on the sequence of movement and the connection between them so you can feel where your power is coming from. This should be a staple in your warm-up routine no matter what level you are at. First, start with your legs only for 10 strokes. Remember to maintain that forward lean to 11 o'clock and push through the foot plate. This should produce 60% of the total power in your complete stroke. Next, add in the body swing for 10 strokes using your legs and then your body. Your body contributes 30% of the power in your complete stroke, so you should be up to about 90% of your total power now between both your legs and body. Finally, add in your arms for 10 strokes using legs, body, and then arms. This is the last 10% that brings you up to 100% power with your complete stroke.